everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video for my series with Holly Jolly V. It's a 12 days of Christmas, and today we're making some flag embellishments. So I'm using this die from In Love Art Shop that I haven't been able to share, using this die from Sizzix. It's the Snowflake die. It was gifted to me by Angela, who is Love Pink Dragonflies here on YouTube, in a swap. I will have her listed below. I'm using some of these charms from Amazon. I will have it listed below as well. It came with some pastel charms and some traditional charms. I'm using this Snowflake clear stickers from KG Crafts. So when using stickers like these, make sure that they are fairly new, a collection that has been sitting for a while, has been out for a while. The stickers do get dull, so you do need a fairly strong adhesive for the stickers. So this one wasn't as strong as I would like them to be. So what you want to do is fold your embellishments in half and choose the side that you'd like. I'm using the Feeling Frosty collection, and I'm going to add some glue here on the middle, starting off with the middle first. Then add your skewer or your pick. These are picks from Hobby Lobby that I picked up, I believe, 2 months ago. So just when they first came out, and they go so fast, you guys. So if your Hobby Lobby doesn't have them, then you're also able to use some skewers or some lollipop sticks, anything like that. In the baking area you can use as well. And they do also have some lollipop sticks in the baking area that look like these ones, some picks with the wood pieces. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to add this flag embellishment to this snowflake rosette. And I like the flag embellishment, well, not the flag embellishment, but the banner die. I like it because it's fairly thick, and it goes well with the really chunky rosette, and so that's why I'm using it. You can add 2 layers. I'm only using 1. I'm adding some foam adhesive to the back. I did add that charm with a jump ring, so I don't think I showed that on video. Okay, adding some eyelash trim. This eyelash trim is from Hobby Lobby. I love it for Christmas because it gives the illusion of snow and that kind of like that snow feel of glitz and glam a little bit, just a little bit. You see a little touch of different colors here and there, like snow sometimes can be. I'm going to use these stickers also from the Feeling Frosty collections. They're the puffy foam stickers, and I used 3 trees and as well as a snowflake. So sometimes I do add score tape to the back of some foam stickers, as well as another double-sided foam adhesive. I do like to use that to give layers to foam stickers. So here I'm just figuring out where I want everything to go. These stickers didn't seem that sticky when I touched them. However, they were very sticky once I layered them. And so, yeah, try not to do that prior. If you want to go ahead and layer, I would cut the sticker out along with the paper back on it. So here I'm adding double-sided foam adhesive. I want to give it a layer from the middle tree. So I'm trying to finish up this Happy Mail here. You guys know that I do like to tackle 2 projects at once, and this was Actually, there are three. So I'm trying to take care of Happy Mail, take care of a hop, as well as take care of my series. And so I'm sharing that with you, so it's taking you along. I don't use that warm heart puffy sticker after all. I do get an ephemera piece from the Feeling Frosty collection. I love this collection. It's so cute. It's really cute. Okay, so I did add some stitching to that ephemera piece off video and adding some double-sided adhesive to the back. Adding some glue. Okay, so I like it right there at the bottom of the trees at a diagonal, just slightly at a diagonal. And I like how it looks. I like how it ties in the purple snowflake. And so there's the bits of purple, pink, and then the green and blue here and there. The back is double-sided, so it looks really nice. I like the Amazon snowflake charm as well. Okay, time to add it to this ornament box, and I am filling this thing to the rim. So I want it to look really flashy and eye-catching and full of just gifts. So these two embellishments will be the last that I add to these boxes. So I am adding that snowflake flag and also the bottle of it's kind of like a chunky glitter from Recollections, and I picked it up the beginning, I think 2 months ago I picked it up. So I like it right there. The trees are fairly sticking out along with that clip snowman. It just ties everything together. The moose is on the underneath, and then the bear. Everything just looks so Feeling Frosty in the forest. And then here is the traditional. I am limited on traditional ephemera pieces and stickers and so forth, and so I had to compromise and I went with this. I still like how it looked, and it's peeking out underneath the moose along with the clip as well. And so those are my projects. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this tube here. These tubes I picked up from Amazon. It comes in a pack. So I love these stickers, you guys. Stickers like this, the clear stickers, I love adding them to jars and tubes like this. It just dresses them up a little bit better than what they look like. And so that's why you need a really good adhesive on those stickers. So something like Snowflake, it's been around for a while. The stickiness wears off. Okay, so I decided to go with the snowman for the pink tube. And try not to touch the back of the sticker with your fingers, or if you're able to, wash your hands prior to touching so oils don't get on it. It just helps a little bit better, especially if you're using an older collection. Okay, I'm liking how that looks. That looks great. I love it. And so I didn't have the Feeling Frosty stickers. I don't think they have clear stickers, if I'm not mistaken. So I am using the Snowflake clear stickers instead, and it works well because Snowflake has traditional and pastel colors as well. So I'm looking for a sentiment here, trying to figure out what I should add. And I decide to go with some miniature snowflakes, like twinkle stars. And I do add, I believe, 3 around the snowman. Okay, deciding on a sentiment as well. And I believe I go with another page for that. Okay, so I found my sentiment and accidentally took off 2. So I put 1 back and just going to add the word burr to the bottom of the snowman. Okay, let's go ahead and do the traditional. I'm going to do it really fast. So adding the sweater. That was the only traditional color that was in the collection that I thought went with the colors that I am already using. And I do also add a sentiment. And so decide to add 2 sentiments so it will say burr and then winter. So I did do the dangle off camera. I did wire wrapping, added a tassel from the Snowflake collection. It's a felt tassel, and also added a charm from Amazon, and then added the beads. So I like how it turned out. There's a little close-up of that. So this concludes the video. I went ahead and did a flag embellishment as well as a tube tassel. And so this concludes the video, and I will see you guys next Wednesday for another video in the 12 Days of Christmas series with Holly Jolly V. And so hopefully you enjoyed that video, and let's see what I whip up next. Bye.